Reality and illusion. What is reality? This book, Zero is Infinity, written in 2015, describes reality and illusions. Book is available on Amazon, Kindle, and website. Reality is infinite like space. That means space has no beginning, no end, no divisions. We make divisions by building and constructions. But in reality, space doesn't exist unless there are two different objects. Space doesn't get divided. When you carry a part from one place to another, space doesn't go anywhere. Same way, Brahman, supreme reality, is infinite. It is not born. It never changes. It is not disturbed. Everything happens in this reality. So Brahman is the substratum. Everything other than Brahman is illusion. Reality is invisible. Due to its power, visible universe exists. Senses and mind cannot perceive it, yet due to the power of senses and mind, senses and mind function. So Brahman is like a catalyst. Because of the power of Brahman, the world exists. Then what is illusion? Illusion is nothing but deception. Something is not there and you perceive it, that is illusion. Illusion means impermanence. Nothing is permanent. Ice cube, if you hold in the hand, in a few minutes it melts. And if at higher temperature, it turns into vapor. So ice cube, though it is real, it is impermanent. Same way, mountains, oceans, everything, even our earth is impermanent on long term, because in billions of years, our world won't exist, galaxies won't exist, entire universe will collapse. Illusion is relatively real. That means for our senses, our mind, everything we perceive is real, because for this time and space is real. So reality is that holds true at all the time, that is Kala, all the places, Desha, and all the situations, which is Paristhiti. Desha, Kala, Paristhiti. In those three, something that doesn't change and remains constant is called reality. Everything we say, see, or perceive changes in time according to place and according to circumstances. Our perception is illusive. Everything we perceive is illusive because our eyes have limitation of sight. Owl can see more. Our ears have a limitation because dogs can hear better. And our nose have limitation of smell. Dog can smell much greater range. Same way our mind has limitation. So everything perceived by our senses and mind are also illusive. We are the subject and world is the object. That means we are permanent and world is changing. All the things we see, hear, taste, touch, smell, changes. And the instrument with which we perceive, our five senses, our mind, our thoughts, imagination, everything changes. Our emotions change, our intellect changes, our decision making changes. Everything is illusion. Only thing real is the self, Atman, which is reflection of Brahman, and this is permanent and because of its power, everything is visible. Subject and object. We are the subject. Body, senses, mind are objects. Body, senses and mind again is subject to perceive the world. From that perspective, world is illusion, our instruments of perception are illusion, our mind is illusion, only reality is transcendental, that I am, that awareness, and that awareness is Sat Chit Anand. It is eternal existence, it is filled with knowledge and power, and it is filled with bliss.